I want to show some simple ways to use a formula to copy over an entire range. Let me show you what I mean. So, here in my spreadsheet, I'm tracking grades. Here are the current grades for these various students on these various subjects. And if I go to the historical, I can see how those grades have been over the last several weeks, right? What I want to do is make sure whatever grades are shown most recently are copied into the previous. So I can't just copy and paste it because, well, then when it changes next week, I'll have to copy and paste it again. I want this to be current of whatever is the most recent always. So if I just want to reference a single cell, I can just do that literally equals and the cell, right? But if I try to do that for a range, we very quickly run into issues. It's going to say that doesn't work. The default output of this reference is a single cell in the same row, but a matching value could not be found. To get the values for the entire range, use the array formula function. So, what's that meaning by the default behavior? Let me copy this function up here. So now if I reference A3 through A12, and I can even lock this, then it will show whatever is in that range on the current row. That's not going to work though. I need this to be in a different location. So let me get rid of this. And now it's going to say to use the array formula function, which does work. And so we can simply reference ranges using array formula around the reference. So for what I want to do, I'm going to use equals array formula, and I'm going to reference A3 through F12 of the historical sheet. Now that transfers over, and if I change what's here, so let's make this let's say Hilda's doing great and got A's all the way across. Now when I come back to current, that data is automatically updated because it's being pulled over by the formula. So very simple one, but if you want to bring an entire range of data from one location to another, that can be within the same tab or on different tabs on the same sheet, just wrap the reference in array formula and that'll work great.